about
football,
Halichurn Nursery.
Duran
We
Cup.
saw that in the last game as well, dipping deep into his bag of tricks. And at the other end is Joseph, the main man in attack. Spreads it out wide. It's Tyson. Goes on the outside. In comes the cross. Once more intervention from Mirkhan Taimari.
Ê, nó không năm.
Good ball inside the fullback.
Wait.
First in contact. The referee has pointed to the spot. It's a penalty.
Penalty.
The defense caught off guard, but what a beautiful ball that really carved open their back line.
Karbi flat Because Pante is absolutely
Penalty.
He knows that this is a huge situation.
Penalty mà nào go penalty.
Karbi Anglong.
Sự đó cái này foul.
That lovely through ball, that line breaking and Siddharth kicking got caught there by the keeper. Bit of inexperience. He could have
Foul.
to move on, but that challenge, of course, he had a bit of a control.
Lagao, penalty. Lagao.
Can maneuver and
Penalty or even penalty. Lagao. Bodoland FC. Lagao.
Is ready.
Lagao. Sede. Penalty chance. Holichurn जाबाय. Jai Bodo Harini. Jai Bodo Harini. Jai. गरसे. Lagao. Holichurn सोबाय दे गरसे. बरिया.
this edition of
Good. Holichurn सोबाय. Penalty.
just took his time.
बरिया चान्स मोनदोंलै पेनाल्टी फाउल जाना होनानै
Pause there.
Wow.
And again putting pressure.
खुन्थायाव नांनो साबदों माथो
Almost struck the upright and
इसेबानो एरायबायसोमोन जेने थेने
lucky, but they wouldn't mind. Bodoland up by
बरिया
That goal will certainly take the
गरसे सोबाय बड'लेण्ड एफसिआ
the morning starts. Strides.
लाइक खालामना हो सोर फैदों अननानै चेनेलाव गोदानब्ला लाइक खालामना हो लाइक
Finish on
Like
6
and share.
points. Jamshedpur have also
साबसक्राइबबो खालामलां दै दसे बिदिनो देखायबाय थागोन आङो बांद्राय देखायबा कपिराइटबो फैयो नालाय
So that makes them one of the strong contenders to qualify as one of the second
11 मिनिट्सआवनो नै 10 मिनिट्स थांबायमोन बेयावनो गरसे सोदों
again that Halichurn
बरिया
separates the two sides.
आसा दं देरहानायनि
That came from a penalty. One would say a bit of an inexperience by the skipper Murshid. He should have managed that challenge.
दिनैनो
He didn't have the ball in control, but that was a lovely, wonderful line breaking through.
फाउल मासे फाउल गेलेखो बिसोरलाय
The side that made history in 2023, becoming the first professional club from the region that made debut in the Bodo Cup. So this was the incident.
गेमखौ खिथाब्ला बांद्राय खोन्थाबा कपिराइट फैयो बेनिखायनो दसेल' खिथागोन आङो
पार्किंग के गेट के अंदर रख दीजिए।
But yeah, of course, the physicality would come into play. But that's
You love me friend thank you
already
लाइभ को मा द्राय सने
Walking on a tightrope.
नीचे का
Become Taimari.
लागाव
Into action.
गरसे सोबाय
First quarter.
बड'लेण्ड एफसिआ गरसे सोबाय
Now that strike from Halichurn Nursery from the spot kick.
Halichurn नार्जारि सोदों
Tempo here. Here's that diagonal. Hali brings it down into his path. First time ball.
सोदो आयै
Makes a meal of it.
जागोन दाबो जागोन टाइम दङ
Glorious opportunity to
बरिया बानायना हरदोंमोन खिन्थु गेजेराव हास्लाबासै
for the ball. Now at the other end it's Joseph.
सेस पेनाल्टी
Pulled back.
लागाव फाउल जालायबाय माथो
Penalty for Karbi Anglong Morning Star as well. What a beginning. Breakneck start.
पेनाल्टि नामालै सेस बरबाद जागोन बिदिबाथाय लाइभानो
So much experience, Subham. And have a look at that. Very, very good run. Powerful. Bit of acceleration.
मानो हमथानांगौब्रा बेलाय आखायाव लाय थै जोखारबानो जायो फावआव थै हनै आखायावनो हमथाथारबाय बियो
Powerful run from Joseph Bodoland.
फाउल जाखाथारबाय सेस खासै
Subham Sarangi is not amused, of course. He questions Mithun Kunda, but the referee is firm.
Here's Joseph. He's the side's top goal scorer in the Duran Cup, but he's left it for Cedric.
से
Here is Cedric.
Wow.
What a save! And the rebound is saved as well. Still another chance. Back-to-back opportunity.
हाबासै हाबासै बरिया 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 हाबासैलै पेनाल्टि चान्समोन बरिया हमथाबाय बिरखां दैमारि बरिया 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 बिदिनो बर'फोरल' गेलेजोबनांगौ बांसिन हानाय सिबां होमबानो देरहाखायो बरिया बुबथाखादों नै वा बिरनानै हमखादोंलै खननै बुखारखादों हनै
Once again, they were trying to get it past.
बरिया 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 बुखारबाय बुखारबाय
Great reflection.
पेनाल्टि चान्स मोनबायमोनलै लोगो लोगो बिसिना सुपार सेभ
Rohit Mehta.
He would now certainly
Boria,
want
Boria.
the ground to swallow him up. Cedric Jr., the man
बरबाद जासिगोन नङाबा
against Northeast.
लोगो लोगो जाफिनसिगौमोन जेने थेने बुखारना हाबाय लाइक खालामना हो कौन देख रहा है कहाँ से लाइक करो गाइस
Attack is on. On the
नेपाल से
overlap.
कौन देख रहा है कमेंट करो अरुण टाफा खेल रहे ना आज भी
One back.
लगाओ 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 लाना खालायबाय नै लाना खालायबाय हलिचरना लाना खालायबाय नै दोखो दोखो जोदो जोदो आयै ओइस 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 ओइस
Right hand. Bushes.
एरायबाय इसेयावनो एरायबाय
It's a wonderful move, but look at the pass.
एरायबाय
Absolutely amazing.
Ayy,
that
ayy,
cross.
ayy.
Sending teasing crosses this Haricharan Nazari.
बरिया बरिया बल बानायदोंलै हलिचरन नार्जारिया
The right moment at the right time. Didn't take
Boria.
time the run took a
जेने थेने बुबथानो हाबायलै
this time. Mushid a one-handed save, but the line official of full of effect.
बढ़िया लाइक करो आप लोग कहाँ से देख रहे हैं नेपाल से कौन देख रहा है
In terms of going forward, it was a lovely ball delivered from the far left, and Robinson managed to get on the end of that. It doesn't miss too many from there.
बढ़िया
Another day, that could have been the second goal for Bodoland.
And not bad for this signing from Angola.
आहाहा
And very hard work.
गेम शो ज्यादा दिखाने से कॉपीराइट आता है इसलिए कम दिखाना पड़ता है
Ben Orji went round the typical Angola contact type.
दादा लाइक तो करेंगे कुछ सदी दिखना गेम अच्छा देखेंगे थोड़ा 20 में देखेंगे
Good work from the goalkeeper. Birkhan Daimori, standout performer.
बिरखां दैमारी वो बहुत अच्छा है
Yeah, I mentioned about contact. Wasn't the
ये साउथ अफ्रीका से आया रे बहुत डेंजर है उसका कार्बी आंगलोंग का
World Cup squad as well. And always been a silent worker, but great work he does. Not real work, talking about Makelele as well. France, who covers so much of ground, the total midfield area. These other legends. One would man the midfield and marshal the midfield with so much of authority.
And you know, when Roberto he joined this Bodoland side, Vikash Panthi wasn't sure where to use him. But
One
having
sure.
observed his stamina, his endurance, and ability to cover every blade of grass, he decided to play him in that particular position.
वो बस गया रे बस गया भाई साहब बस गया
Puts it out of the danger.
गोल होने वाला था फिर से बस गया
Stayed in Oman, stayed in Congo and Angola as well, the home country. But a good time in Rajasthan.
हेलो गाइस लाइक करो प्लीज अभी तक 25 है सोर विनार जाखो ब्र विनारा दायो बडलेण्ड एफसिआ गरसेसोना दं टाइमा जेबो जायाखै दंबायो बहुत टाइम दंबायो
Intensity in the game. Both the teams testing each other out.
थैंक यू फॉर शोइंग लाइव थैंक यू अरे कॉर्नर मिल गया रे फिर से उसको
Karbi Anglong Morningstar
ये कार्बी आंगलोंग को
would be under some amount of pressure. Their first copy.
Taking shot. Kabir. What can he produce? Goes on the outside, creates room for the cross. Pulled back.
यस गुड
Easy pickings.
फिर से कॉर्नर
Bodoland defense.
ओरन इज प्लेइंग फुटबॉल ब्रो यस
Very young. So that-
अन्नानै देखायजोबदो लास्ट मेट्सखौ हानाय नङा फंबाय कपिराइट फैयो मानो होनबा आंना चेनेला मनेटाइज जाखानायसो प्रब्लेम जागोन उनावहाय नङाबा
Delivered towards the back post. Will be retrieved by Tyson, but he needs support. He has the numerical supremacy around the ball. The men in pink.
बरिया
He's touching the ball.
Robinson proved himself a wonderful number 9 option. Was
म्याच
the-
नायगासिनो म्याच फुटबल
Look at that color. He stays in pink. And he's a old Rajasthan. He's truly a pink country in Jaipur. They call it the pink city as well.
A very well spoken color. A lovely build up.
लागाव लाना खारलायबाय आयो फाउल
Went down.
ए माथो अरुण थापा वाव बेस्ट प्लेयर ए नेपाल का है अरुण थापा
Absolutely chose the referee.
देखो कितना रन में आ रहा है
That came at 10.
ए ये तो फाउल था रे
Armin Jackson should have been
रेफरी मैन क्या देख रहा है रे रेफरी मैन
one felt that any other day, any referee might have caught otherwise.
अरुण थापा बेस्ट प्लेयर है
Numerous signs already. But that particular attack exposed the
हॉलीसरन बना के देगा बॉल आप गोल मारना अरुण थापा
can be beaten by pace. And both the centre backs, in fact, of Karbi, Anglong, Morningstar, Simpson and Jackson, struggles when the opposition adds and injects a lot of pace up front. Rohit delivers. Clean catch from Daimari, oozing with confidence.
बिरखां दैमारी
Again, Halisaran, Nazari and company, Arun Thapa, they're utilizing those lovely small little half spaces between.
आराम से खेलो भाई आराम से खेलो अभी भी टाइम है कैसे खेल रहे हैं
Right, but most
ज्यादा स्पीड मत खेलो आराम से खेलो
perfect. They're coming from the left channel, and that's being utilized more.
बडलेण्ड एफसी कोर्सिस होबाय बडलेण्ड एफसीआ कार्बी आंगलंखौ
Trying to slow down the tempo. And meanwhile, Karbi, Anglong, Morningstar taking their time on the ball in search of that rhythm. Sedgwick Jr. is completely wasteful.
Maybe a spot mid-
लाइक करो गाइस किसने लाइक नहीं किया अभी तक देखो प्लीज गाइस लाइक करो
could be, one less little band.
अरुण थापा इज फ्रॉम माय विलेज ब्रो ओ बिग सपोर्ट ओ थैंक यू सोम बहादुर आप नेपाल से है क्या
Into the game, and we can't stop the
अच्छा खेल रहा है अरुण थापा भी आज
focus as well.
उस दिन गोल मारा ना आज भी मारेगा वो अरुण थापा
Safe and secure.
हमारा बॉस है और ये बोदोलैंड का हॉलीसरन नजर ये बहुत अच्छा से बॉल बना के देता है वो लोग गोल मारता है देखो वाह अरुण थापा को दे दो बॉल
Halichar and Nirzari closing in as well. Robinson
आई एम फ्रॉम नेपाल वाह थैंक यू ब्रो लाइक करो सब्सक्राइब करो मेरा चैनल को भी
out of position. And that's what he's going to do over the course of this game. He's going to pin both the centre backs in Jackson and Simpson.
One thing one feels that Karbi Anglong Morningstar isn't showing great defensive transition. He's shot both.
yes
In support.
ओके ब्रो ओके अरे यार ये
Space.
वो डेंजर खेल रहे ये तो 11 नंबर ये खरेलंग का
One behind him as well. Takes a step.
ए
Good clearance. Got more of the ball. Now for a corner.
दोरा खुले मुनाम जबाय
Well, he is fresh, got a lot of ideas as well. trying to that touch. Elude the defender. Defender saved for a corner. Good pressure from the Morning Star.
Another shot call.
इधर ही देखो, दूसरा चैनल में मत देखो,
Up at the back post.
इधर ही अच्छा है.
Now stepping in. Simpson took it on the turn of feeble attempt and commits a foul on Robinson. So deep inside his own territory.
Well, it comes from the land of James Rodriguez.
गुड अच्छा से खेल रहा है.
Was in the
अभी भी टाइम है बहुत.
World Cup, the last edition.
4:24 है.
From behind, that was perfect.
A lot of expectation.
उरुंटा पागोडे दो बस.
Bodoland side. They assembled a squad with considerably more experience and quality. The players of the caliber of Narzari and Subham Sarangi gave this team an entirely different dimension, but football is not played on paper.
Bit of switch there. Khalid Sharan striking flank.
Ali Shoran Nanjari.
Hafa move to the left.
Orun Tafa.
Karan Chote.
Cedric Jr.
Oh my
They
god.
double up very quickly. Realizing he is the main man.
लाइक करो. किसने लाइक नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब करो प्लीज गाइस. अभी भी बहुत टाइम है देखने के लिए, सिर्फ आधा घंटा भी नहीं गया, 24 मिनट्स किया है.
Slightly slowed down. Very mindful. Karbi Anglong Morning Star now. Down the line is Joseph with a couple of step overs. Fabil laid back. Nesial still keeps possession. Stepping into the attacking half and let's fly. Simpson from far out.
Very optimistic drive from Simpson, but again, no harm in trying, because though that was quite from a distance, and why not try an attempt, and could be put Birkan Daimari with some amount of test, but he is absolutely high on spirit at the moment, having said that, a wonderful penalty.
Tries to get in behind and he needs to be careful. Jackson, he's asking for a foul for guard. Almost beaten Jackson for pace. His surprise, the whistle wasn't blown.
So that was a great overhead pass, and again, Jackson very clumsy and pitchy. He used the shoulder a bit and could be. Referee Mithun Kundu spotted it well and pretty early.
वाओ बढ़िया. और ठपा. कोई तो आ जाओ भाई उसके साथ, मदद करो ना उसको.
He switched to the right and now Robinson
अरे यार कैसे खेल रहे.
gets the foot in. Nesial, now Cedric. He's slightly behind. Cedric realizing that he got to drop deep.
आई गाइस लाइक करो प्लीज और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो.
Joseph has been devoid of
जिसने
goals.
ने लाइक नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब भी नहीं किया,
Therefore,
please, guys.
needs more supply up front to do the damage. So what a
वाह उरन टपा.
in the clear.
Way! Good shot. Yeah! बढ़िया. गोल मार दिया फिर से. गोल. दो गोल.
Into the side. A
Lovely
lovely break
race. Wow, गोल मार दिया बोडोलैंड FC.
from the front. It's 2-0.
Wow.
Khalid
19 नंबर हलीसरन.
having travelled,
ये बोडोलैंड का है, बोडोलैंड का.
but he is on a hat-trick
ये बेस्ट प्लेयर वो भी.
and is performing wonderfully. But that was a great pass from
कितना रन किया देखो. घोड़ा जैसा भाग रही है.
Karbi Anglong Morning Star punished because of the high back line.
देखो.
Just taking that little touch with that little inside dribble to his preferred foot and through the keeper.
ऐसा मारना चाहिए. Wow, nice. Love you, Bodoland team. Yes.
The keeper was off his line, but keeping his cool was Halichara.
देखो होली सर नाजारी गोल मार दिया भाई
Personified in that build-up to the goal.
गोल गोल
Incredible
गोल
pass
गोल
from Robinson. And the fullback wasn't aware.
मेरा मोबाइल गर्म हो गया देखो
From his
इसलिए
blind
कवर
side,
निकालना पड़ रहा है
took him by surprise. Entire backline flat-footed.
गाइस लाइक करो प्लीज कौन कौन देख रहे हैं
First half an hour. Bodoland FC managed to
लाइक करो सब्सक्राइब करो प्लीज
Morning Star 10.
2 गोल मार दिया
At the height
खेल
of
अभी
the
भी
match,
खत्म नहीं हुआ आधा घंटा अभी नहीं हुआ 28 मिनट्स हो गया है देखो कितना जबरदस्त खेल रहा है आज
Be careful to talk to the
कितना मजा आ रहा है खेल देखने में
not gone so very well.
नेपाल ओके सर नाइस
Motion.
यस थैंक यू
He was involved in two of
प्लीज
the-
गाइस लाइक करो और सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो
And again, the one he couldn't prevent Halichara Narzari.
अली सर नाजारी
Narzari went through him for that brilliant finish for the second goal.
He's got spring in his steps. For the third time, Karbi Anglong Morning Star they concede in the first quarter.
भाई आप कौन सा जगह से मैं बोडोलैंड से बोडोलैंड असम बोडोलैंड से बोडोलैंड
FC's first goal in the first half this season. All of the 3 goals against FC1 came in the second
2
half.
गोल्स आधा घंटा में 2 गोल मार दिया
The
देखो
Karbi Anglong Morning Star are a side who likes to score in the second quarter. But that threat is missing up front. Looks like a disjointed side. When they push forward, when they enter the final third, they run out of ideas.
प्लीज गाइस लाइक करो और ये सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को हु स्कोर्ड द फर्स्ट गोल
By the scruff of its neck,
बोडोलैंड एफसी
complete control.
आई एम फ्रॉम काठमांडू वाओ नाइस नेपाल से है ना आप काठमांडू
They're running rings around the Karbi Anglong Morning Star defense. Spijam, the captain.
बोडोलैंड एफसी का क्वालिफाई जागना जाया जागन
Something special.
जागन
Rohit.
बिराद बढिया गेलेगासिनो दाख्लैनिफ्राय
Tyson.
दाख्लै फार्स्ट दिनावसो एसे बोरैबा जादोंमोन
Morning Star. Got his body on the line, and that will bring a corner.
Yeah, Tyson has been a wonderful prospect. Has been with the
हलिचरना गल 3 सोनांगौ दिनै यस
under 20.
गल 3 सोनांगौ
Immediately was with him on the ground. Super Giant reserves as well.
खनब्रै जाबाय बिसिना कर्नारा कार्बि आंलंना
Here is the man. Tyson on the ball, goes for goal. Takes a wicked deflection, and that could have gone anywhere. Sloppy defending from Bodoland on this occasion. Hasn't put a foot wrong apart from that one mistake from Subham Sarangi. Someone had to front him up.
I am from
You
Bodoland
can't allow Tyson to have a crack from inside the penalty area.
मिनिमाम बेसे गल सोनांगौ आदा गल 4 बानो जायो गल 4
Fighting for the aerial ball.
दायो गरनै सोबाय ओमफ्राय दाहाय गरनै सोबानो जाबाय बरिया होमबाना जथेस्थ बेनो
Aaron.
जय बड'लेण्डनि जय बर' हारिनि कमेन्ट हो जय बर' हारिनि
He can contribute both offensively.
बयबो जय बर' हारिनि हो वाव लाना खारलायबाय आयो
Mistimed his run somewhat.
सिया बासिबाय जेने थेने सोबावबायमोन नै
Went for that challenge.
मोसौ बोरायनि खारखादों बरियानो
So far in his career, just scored 1 goal. And this was the one again. He was always offside. The moment he started.
Offside. Well,
Again, Karbi Anglong Morning Star defense.
again, Karbi Anglong, the voice of Bodo. Yes.
In midfield by the sheer pace of this Bodoland. They're operating wonderfully, controlling the pace of the game. And as I was mentioning, Halichara Narzari.
लगाओ सोदो उरुन टप्पा एश
He was present.
उरुन टप्पा किधर गया ये
Got into scoring position. Had to stretch slightly out of reach.
A bit of a role reversal. Subhash is coming.
2 and 1 no only
Robinson is falling.
2 goal
A bit of creative score. We saw send that brilliant line break.
I am support of Bodoland FC. Thank you. Business support खालामनांगौ.
Strongly done in a 4-2-3
Thank you.
And talking about Nazai, in his entire career, the Durand Cup, he scored 1 goal. But this
So लोगोफोर सोर like खालामाखै अननानै खालामना होदो ओमफ्राय subscribe खालामदो चेनेलखौ आंनिखौ अननानै
this
please.
is incredible.
मानोना हनै लाइकआनो फैयाखै बिराद खम.
Eight
ओमफ्राय
shots
subscriber-आ
taken,
बारायथाराखै.
on target from Karbi Anglong Morning Star.
लागाव सोसिंलायनो सोसिं इस
And that was too heavy.
इस
Well, that let him down. He prepared, he worked so hard for that. But just that touch showed it.
हलिचरन
Just look at that.
गेम दिखाने से ज़्यादा दिखाने से कॉपीराइट आ सकता है मेरा चैनल में इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा नहीं दिखा सकता है इसलिए थोड़ा फ्लिप फ्लॉप दिखाता है बुरा मत मानना गाइस
Karbi Anglong Morning
अभी
Star.
कॉर्नर मिल गया कॉर्नर
In complete disarray. Bodoland are managing to find gaps. Surge after surge. Now Halicharan, can he turn provider from the corner?
Yes.
Punched out by Murshid. Only as far as Aaron. Aaron goes on his own. Almost sandwiched between a couple of white shirts.
कौन है उसके साथ कोई नहीं रे देखो
And now he's one
ये
on
बंदा
one.
अकेला लेके आ रहा है
Joseph.
ये
Can he get the better of his marker? Joseph! Good save. Birkham Daimari.
विरखांग नहीं मारी
Yet again.
बहुत अच्छा सेविंग है सेव कर रहा है ऐसा क्यों मार रहे रे
Much more earlier.
फास्ट दे दो
Position.
आ जाओ उसके साथ हाँ ऐसा ही खेलो पकड़ लो उसको
He is putting a bit of pressure.
वाओ
Set it to him.
Time and again, Malabir started at right back, has to drift central to deal with the pace of Joseph. He was one-on-one with the man from Niger.
देखो कितना अच्छा सेव कर रहा है
At the right time, Birkham Daimari.
विरखांग नहीं मारी बहुत अच्छा है रे हमारा कीपर बोडोलैंड एफसी का लगाओ कार्बी आंगलोंग 4 गोल मारेगा कार्बी आंगलोंग को बोडोलैंड एफसी
Taking shot.
दिस इज नॉट शॉट
It's Vikash.
सांस मत दे दो यस गुड
Again, responds in time.
विरखांग नहीं मारी गुड जॉब
Unsung hero.
The Karbi Anglong attacks are few and far between, but
गाद ले लो
The player
बार क्यों सांस दे रहे हो लोग को
outside him.
सांस मत दे दो
Now Vikash. Tyson has got 3 white shirts playing at. Stitching passes together. That was so poor from Nesial.
wrong idea to the wrong area as well, and this was a lovely attempt at shot on target. But Bikhan today is really unbeatable. Naisial attempted from a distance, but again, Karbi Anglong have
To be
attacking
honest.
and trying from a distance. They're trying to go
लाइक करो प्लीज गाइस
from the wide area on the right mainly and to the central as well.
यस ओय ओ माय गॉड बस गया
No conviction in the clearance, but they somehow managed to come away with it. And one of the beautiful things about the Durand Cup is the opportunity it creates for players who haven't yet had that national recognition.
यस गुड जॉब
Action with Birkham Daimari having a superb
सुपर
first half.
विरखांग नहीं मारी
That Tyson converted on that. Very quick thinking, very clever thing he's done. Quickly off his line and out of his box and headed it away. Great thinking.
We are talking about the uncapped players, the lesser known players. It has been a wonderful
उरोन टफा आज
platform
मारेगा
for
उरोन
this
टफा आज
Bodo
मारेगा गोल मारेगा आज भी
Experience
उरोन
guy
टफा
bagging the emerging player award last evening. Had a brilliant Durand Cup.
यस दुरान कप
See a lot of talents coming up.
लाइक कलाम से कलामा को अननानै प्लीज गाइस
And Netherlands also they expect a lot.
Prakash. Expected that one for Tyson.
बोरै जाखो नारबाय थादों खिन्थु बिरादनो
Gideon covered his best.
I am from Assam but I am support Orun Thafa game wow nice thank
Has
you
been the Bodoland leader the last campaign. He was the skipper.
कपिराइटखौ गिबा लाइभ दाहो आदसा होमबालाय नायनाङाबो थांदो नोङो
Very quickly by Norberto. Here is another six. Gets stuck in every time. It's been a mental block so far for the Karbi Anglong attackers. They're struggling to get past him. Now switched out wide. Acres of space to exploit. And sometimes his feet works faster than his mind.
लागाव बड'लेण्ड लागाव सोना हो
Still battling for it, loses out.
लागाव
Very composed. Very calm.
लागाव
Cedric. Intercepted by Didon Hazard.
बिराद गरम खेलाया गरनै जानानै
Sluggish in the build-up here from Bodoland. Under no pressure. They're leading by a couple of goals.
लागाव
These two local sides
जोखावगासिनो
are up against each other at a national stage. And football here is not simply a sport. Across the Northeast, it's part of their culture.
लागाव अरुण थापा yes good जोग्रायानो गैया हनै थै क्या हुआ रे गोल मारने वाला कोई नहीं है उधर
He could have gone all by himself.
ओलीसरन आप डायरेक्ट मार सकता
Here to arrive
ऐसा मत दे दो बार कोई नहीं था उधर
none arrived there. A bit of a indecision the position of Siddharth and Robinson.
Was carrying the ball, covered almost half the length of the pitch. Simpson, the man who can navigate challenges and enter the final third and contribute to attack. This was the previous attack.
Not the first touch, but he felt that Aaron would be converging, but he fell much behind.
Bro, don't show your face. Yes, this is copyright coming.
On the verge of maybe getting his first hat-trick in the Indian World Cup. He came very close.
He's put on a show in the first half. It's been terrific right from the word go. Keeping the opposition defenders on toes. A forced change as well. Kichi is out, replaced by Kaushik Daimari.
Yes लांलायबाय लेके आ बॉल yes सेंटर में दे दो सेंटर में
Very central. Newcomer Kaushik Daimari placing himself immaculately, providing that option. Honey, now tucking in field. Operating very centrally, doubling up with Norberto.
Now Pudet must be talking to his boys in the lemon break. They are maintaining a very high back line.
लगाओ गोल मारने वाला कोई नहीं रे बीच में यार
Went on and a bit of an overdrive there. Could have done much better.
कौन मारेगा गोल
The flank
अभी
is very lively for Bodoland. And they continuously switch and swap.
वो डांसा क्यों रहा है
And Aaron Thapa.
Aaron Thapa.
This Karbi Anglong side to the sword.
मजा आ रहा है
No one saw that because Pumpy pointing out to his players about that particularly high back line I was mentioning. And you need to read those passes. At times could be some overhead balls, some aerial balls.
The gap
wow
is
wow
in
wow
favor.
wow 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 wow
There is another running behind. Kaushik Daimari setting it
देखो
up.
देखो
He was onside.
मारो ऑफसाइड
Late from the assistant referee.
ये तो गुस्सा आ गया रे देखो
So you've seen from the FIFA World Cup, the referees allow play at times, even on severe challenges, and give a bit of advantage and let the game flow. But here again, it was certainly offside by miles out.
ए ऑफसाइड हो गया
The
ये
moment he got onto the ball, the England
Sure.
official was smart enough to wave it.
Very potent strike force, very fluid. They keep changing positions. And that is something which baffles the Karbi Anglong back line at times, keeps them second guessing.
Again, pressure on Sarangi. Cedric out again, and that was Joseph trying to.
बाप रे ये तो गलत है भाई
And of course, can put a lot of pressure on the.
जागोन लासैनो जाजोबगोन नंगौ
Now he was complaining, he transferred his body weight onto him.
अरुण टाफा क्या हुआ आज गोल नहीं मारेगा क्या अरुण टाफा
Just a few seconds left of regulation time. It's Bodoland FC 2, Karbi Anglong Morning Star nil.
Bodoland FC face to Karbi Anglong
Goal difference still in negatives, it's -3.
अरुण टाफा नेपाल का बेस्ट प्लेयर है
Kabil with the delivery. Misjudged it slightly. Tyson
ये डेंजर है
they look to reset, they look to regroup.
They can't miss the flight, absolutely.
Rohit. That was
सेंस किसको सेंस कर रहा है यार
almost 30 yards out.
क्यों इतना जल्दी सेंस किया रे अबे 3 मिनट बाकी है
Manipur, the old-fashioned going back. He normally doesn't make a lot of head runs down the channel, stay put.
Absolutely is very passive. Likes to stay back. Joseph Silo at the other end.
जोसेफ
Likes to
साइडर
push forward and help in attack.
वाओ 45 मिनट्स हो गया है अभी 3 मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा टाइम दिया है
There's still time for Karbi Anglong
प्लीज गाइस
Morning
लाइक
Star
करो
to pull one back.
सब्सक्राइब करो लाइक करो और उन्होंने लाइक एंड शेयर सब्सक्राइब खालामदो सोर सोर खालामाखै
The urgency is slightly lacking. At times getting caught into the
बांद्राय देखायजोबनो हाया मानो होनबा एसे प्रब्लेम जायो
Murshid was in a bit of jittery.
एसे बुजिनांगौ आरो नोंसोरबो नायग्राफ्रा बांद्राय देखायजोबनो हाया प्रब्लेम जाबा सेस आहा आरो
Had a stint with the
बेनिखायनो हानाय सिबांखौ देखायगोन आरो नोंसिनो
looked a bit hesitant as well, Murshid. Probably his first Duran Cup game. The butterflies in the stomach yet to settle down.
He tried with Justpreet the other game. Again, experienced Justpreet. Was with the Nambari. Bangalore Waves. He didn't get game time.
It's Tyson.
आप किसको किसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं बताओ कमेंट में
Very quickly. The angle was blocked.
गोजोननाय दङ वाट्सआ दे
Big contest. Found the way.
2 गोल मारा है बोडोलैंड एफसी
Taking intention.
कार्बी आंगलों को
Tried to up their ante in the closing embers of the first half.
लगाओ
That pass was well read. And now central.
लगाओ
Outside.
ओ कोई नहीं है यार उसके साथ
Uses his upper body strength to win the ball back. Keeping possession.
वो पकड़ लो
That's much better. From a crossing position. Good work
क्रॉसिंग
from
पोजीशन
Murshid.
यस हॉलीसरन यस गोल मारो
And now
वो ऊपर गया छे
the third goal was gaping.
ये 1 सेकंड में बस गया
Back with a massive change.
अरुण टाफा
The corners.
अरुण टाफा
Line one is Foxer.
अरुण टाफा
Down. What a potent chance this is for Bodoland. can increase the tariff.
आदसा एयारटेल सिमना उफाय गैया
And the match begun at a
नुवा होनबा एयारटेल सिम लाग्राफ्रा
both sides testing each other.
वरुण थापा इसका नाम क्या है बताओ कमेंट में
Very precise. A supreme
हाफ टाइम हो गया हाफ टाइम
goal and Haricharan Narzari, the man who led them.
हाफ टाइम हो गया हाफ टाइम हॉलीश्वरन नाजर ये बोडोलैंड का नहीं बोडोलैंड का
Morning Stonil, a brace from the former India international Haricharan Narzari.
Mama đừng chụp, đừng chụp lắm không có đừng trên nè. Ủa lại tung đập rồi. Ôi mình đàn này.
Not being able to test the opposition.
देखो 45 balls 55 shots one target 6 corner 6 oh foul 5 yellow card 2 गुड 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 बोडोलैंड एफसी को येलो नहीं मिला अभी तक एक भी
We'll have a look at the highlights.
हाफ टाइम होने वाला है
Between Bodoland FC and Karbi.
अरे गाइस लाइक करो किसने लाइक नहीं किया अभी तक करो प्लीज गाइस सब्सक्राइब करो उधर क्या आ रहा है गांडो उधर क्या देख रहा है
उधर देखो
Lovely run from Giuseppe. The
अरे प्लीज गाइस 200 से ज्यादा है फिर भी लाइक नहीं कर रहे देखो
लाइक करना है काटो
बोडोलैंड एफसी और 2 गोल मारेगा अभी फिर से उसके बाद 4 गोल हो जाएगा धमक हो जाएगा बाद में
struck the upright and went into the back of the net.
And this was Joseph winning one for his side at the other end. Was pulled back by Subham Serangi. Certainly manhandled the man from Niger.
वाइट करो 15 मिनट्स थोड़ा अभी हाफ टाइम हो रहा है हाफ टाइम
Contact and the Bitcoin.
हाफ टाइम हो रहा है हाफ टाइम
Not once but twice. Absolutely perfect on anticipation. Dive to the left. And off the ricochet, he could have pushed to the back.
This is how Haricharan Narzari sold that dummy. Left him in the dust.
คอมเมนต์ฟอร์อะไร
That little touch took it away. That was exquisite.
कमेन्टआ फरायनो आं एसे बिराद ज्राव ज्राव फैयो नै बिराद बुरजा ओंखायनो बायो एसे बांद्राय टेनसन लानो बायो आङो
One cut ball before this evening.
ชิมละเลย
Pace, yeah. I was on
เสือ
hat
เสือ
trick.
เสือคือบอล
This was Karbi Anglong Morning.
बड'लेण्ड एफसीआ गरनै सोबाय कार्बि आंलंखौ
Via Joseph.
दोखो सोखादों गरनै
सुराव सोदोंना दिनै हले
Time and again called into action. It was Bikash. He combined with Nessia, who tried his luck, went for the curler, tried to bend it into the top corner.
एयारटेल चेनेलाव बेसेबां होदो आं मिथिया बेखौ आं मिथिया
Sit on back.
गेलेनायखौ मोजां नुवाखै मोजांसो जादों दिनै गेलेनाया दिनै बिराद
नों
बरिया
देखायनायखौसो मोजां नुवाखै
आदसा आंनियालाय सिसि केमेरायाव नायनायालाय बहा मोजां मोनो
बेयाव लगायना गारहरदों
Did that.
सिसि केमेरायावसो नायगासिनो आङो
Control it on the intention. This was a
सोर सोनाय दं बलखौ
absolute great contact made by Mushik. Because that was absolutely
हलिचरन गरसे सोदों ओमफ्राय गरसेया मा नाममोनथाय बावबाय आङो
and couldn't climb on that. He's not the tallest and could have kept it down for the third goal, which didn't come.
Just mistimed his jumps like Yaron Thapa. Now
Amazing.
stands here in Guwahati. It's Bodoland FC 2, Karbi Anglong Morning Star 0. Don't go anywhere after the break. It's the second half. Stick around.
नेम खोन्थालाय सोर सोआ ब्रादार हलिचरन नार्जारिया गरसे सोदों ओमफ्राय सासेनि नामखौ बावबाय आङो सोर सोनायमोनथाय
आदाया बहानिनो
आङो उदालगुरिनि
이거 가지는 거야
yes
이거 그만 둬
हाफ टाइम हो रहा है हाफ टाइम अभी तो गरनैबो हलि सोदों आं सरि माबा पेनाल्टि गरसे मोनदों फाउलाव बेयावनो बरिया सोदों हलिचरना गरनैबो राइट जाखांफु नार्जारि थेंक इउ बावबायमोन आङो बिराद गाज्रि पेनाल्टि सोनायखौनो लिजेन्ड हलिचरन येस लिजेन्ड हलिचरन एबारैसो होगासिनो नै दायो दसे नेथ'नांसिगोन ओमफ्रायसो जासिगोनलाय खेलाया I don't know. गंनै नै मबाइला सिसि केमेरायावसो नायगासिनो दै रायजोफोर सिसि केमेरायाव नोंखौसो बिराद फसायबाय आं आदा हाब मोख्रा बायदिखौनो मोख्रा साइसिन हरगासिनो आंखौ गुन्दा होनहरलाय मोख्रा होनहरलाय होनगासिनो नोंहा फसायदोंसो मा होनबावनांगौ जाखो आयौ किकि मास पाइसे मबाइला गरम जाजोब्बाय दै आंना गरम जाजोब्बाय मबाइला गरम जाजोब्बाय मा दामनायदो गोदाव सोलाय होलाय ha दसे थाथ'दो जाथ'वाखै खेलाया उदालगुरि इज नट ए फ्रेन्ड अफ आवार्स मा साख्रि वान्स दा बिदेरि मा लिरदोंब्रा मा बुंसोदों मानसिफ्रालाय
There is no problem.
मा डाइना बायदि बेनाव बेयावलाय जानो बायदि रावबो गैयै गाथोनाव वांथ' बे जोनोमाव नोंखौ मोननाय नंला लोगो मोनफिनथों नोंखौनो मोनफिनथों वांथ' बे जोनोमाव नोंखौ मोननाय नंला ओंख्रि गैया नामा खिन्थाया सोंबाबो खिन्थाया वाटसा मैथा बांगाल अमा बिदरलै दिनैहा अमा बिदर जाखालायबाय दा मैथा बांगालजोंहा नोंसिनियावबा मा होनो जोंहा चिराङावबा जोंनियावहा मैथा बांगाल होनो मैथा गुफुरखौहा Bodoland FC scored 10 goals yes I'm sorry bro मानो सरि जाहरखो अमा बेदर गैयाबानो जानो हाखाले बेनिखायनो अमा बेदर जाबाय मा एपाव नायदों बेयावनो नाय आंनियावनो नाय बेलेगाव नायहैनांला खोन्थाबाय थागोन आङो साबसक्राइब खालामना हो गाइस सोर खालामाखै आंनि चेनेलखौ आपेल फिथाइसो जानांसिगोन नामा मोनबायदि मोनबाय आं बोननाय एसे एनार्जि फैनायनि एनार्जि डाउन जाबाय Who? Who? I only come to see the Tafa gameplay. Okay. रायखौ साला जानांगौलै जानांगौ अमा बेदर
मा
हरसे जानो आपेला हर एसे जानो आसा न न न न न न La 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 अबे टाइम है टाइम नहीं हुआ अभी तक नहीं हुआ खेल नहीं हुआ और थोड़ा वेट करो थोड़ा वेट करो नहीं हुआ टाइम अभी तक और थोड़ा टाइम वेट करो गाइस हैप्पी बर्थडे एमएस थैंक यू Oh my God, thank you. जाथ'वाखै ब्रादार फंबायमोन एसे थैजला आरो फुरा देखायजोबनो हाया एसे प्रब्लेम जायो आहा फुरा देखायजोबबा सोर नोंलाय सारअन्थाइ I am Siri bro. Okay. खेला जाथ'वाखै र' दसे सरिकाखौ आंबो फसायबाय बेखौ सारिकाखौ Bodoland FC gol này bạn.
Indian oil Indian stock place in Indian football calendar. Before the league campaigns begin, before the long season takes shape and tournament. Get back to this real glimpse of
Nào 잡아 그래 잡아.
Chinese young players in youth. The role of Indian football's floating league. The first opportunity to see what has changed over the summer and what might lie ahead. And if there's one word that has been
Urun Tafa yes player.
goal, the group stage
Kiधर है Urun Tafa?
extraordinary performance of the attacking players have certainly enjoyed themselves. Uniform has very hard full days well. The contributed Campbell with that high backline, Karbi and Morning Star. They've got some pacey windows, the Bodoland side, the likes of Thomas Harper, Military Mizai, and getting behind. Now sneaked in the block and cautious Daimani. He can be handful of the defenders. This man, Jackson, not a very tight game. He picked up an early yellow card. Louis Joseph. First thing he deserves him. Bilkham Daimani.
Bir Kang Di Mari.
And the cross country will be happy with the way things rolled out in the last group game, the last match day of the group stage of the 125th edition of the Indian Oil Bodoland Cup. Here's Kabir. He tucks in central time and again to plug the gap. Tries to stay close to the likes of Nesial and Hijam. You'll see Tyson plucking as well from the other side to form that midfield diamond, which becomes difficult for the opposition to play through them. And thus forces them to take the aerial route. A better beginning from Karbi Anglong Morning Star. Joseph, Tyson, overlapping run from Rohit. We've seen plenty of the ball on that side. The creativity is still lacking. That's beautifully done by Rohit.
Yosh.
Attempt from Cedric Williams.
क्या जबरदस्त मारा था.
Trying to guide it downwards. Just unable to make contact. The cross was inviting from Rohit. A lunging effort from Cedric Jr. Goes begging.
Yes लेके आओ.
Karbi Anglong Morning Star must have woken up from their first half slumber and started the second 45 on a much positive note.
जाय बर' हारिनि लिरना हरजोबलाय गासिबो.
The ball rotation
हायोबा खनसे
quite sharp
जाय बर' हारिनि लिरना हर गरसे सोबावनायनि.
into the second 45 already. That is into no man's land. Urjoy Brahma.
Urzay Brahma yes. Good.
Didon Hazwari.
Hajwari. बरिया बर'फोर गेलेजोबदों.
Has been
ओंखायनोथ' बरिया जादोंबा खेलाया.
3 seasons.
नांगौ नांनायालाय बाहेरनिखौबो सानै साथामसो.
Man lying down injured.
जै बर' हारिनि गलथाम होबावनांगौ खनसेनो.
Second half for Karbi Anglong Morning Star.
They should try and just have to maintain the defensive shape, which has been raising a lot of pressure.
जै बर' हारिनि दे कमेन्टआव लिरना हरजोब गासिबो. जै बर' हारिनि.
For the Bodoland FC as well. They all travel from distance because of the large
आफेल जाखांलायबाय नै आफेल आंबो. एसे एनार्जि लालायबाय दै लोंसै रडआ
Football is a bit of part of the religion. Football is a festival here.
With the crowd flocking in has been the hallmark of the Indian Oil Durand Cup over the years. We saw sellout crowd in Manipur, good crowd in new footballing hotbeds like Ranchi as well.
Yeah, Ranchi was a wonderful addition to this one very good edition of the Indian Oil World Cup.
ว้าวว้าวว้าวว้าวว้าวว้าวว้าวว้าวว้าวว้าวว้าว goal คือบอกไว้คือบอกไว้คือบอกไว้คือบอกไว้
Rolls it into the bottom corner.
คือบอกไว้คือบอกไว้นี่เบี้ยคือบอกไว้คือบอกไว้โกรธทำจอยโบโรฮารีเนี่ยเลยก็เลยมึงร้อง
Bodoland FC are running away with it.
คือบอกไว้คือบอกไว้
It's 3-0 now and a new kid in the block, Kaushik Daimari. Onto the score sheet.
โอ้ชิดได้มาเลยนำมาหนึ่งมันนำเขาบอกไปเช่นไง
Did it so very confidently. Timed his run,
โคชกได้มาเลย
goal, and put it past Mama Gorshik.
โคชิกได้มาเลยว้าวบูริอาลานาคาร์คาร์นึงเบี้ยนี่
Kaushik. And his support is absolutely clinical. And keeper off his lines again. This is where
กูดช็อตเธอขาดัง
should learn. Just couldn't block the angle this motion. And let's try.
บูริอาบูริอาบูริอาบูริอาบูริอาบูริอาบูริอาบูริอาโกรธทำ
Possession.
Ada kursi yang bawa kena beta. Gol play bawa kena. Di mari. Lagau.
Kept his composure in front of goal.
Buria, buria.
Brilliant finish to the right of the goalkeeper.
Bodoland FC 3 goal. Karbi Anglong 0.
Karbi Anglong Morning Star. in tackling.
Karbi Anglong Morning Star 0. Dakhali 6 goal Zarani. Ravens. Yes, yes, yes.
In the second half against Northeast.
More goal. Yes, 1 goal. More.
Looks like some altercation from the touchline. Few fresh pair of legs will be injected, especially the ones who didn't get much game time. A chance for them to add a few crucial minutes under the belt as well.
Could be change of personnel.
Yes, yes,
Could
yes.
be getting in fresh legs, could be coming with little fresh ideas as well. You might find Pekka.
3 goal. Bodoland FC.
And could be Shirjan. That is a very exciting prospect.
And that game against FC1, the opening game of Karbi Anglong Morning Star on 3rd of August, they started the game on a high, took the lead to Joseph. But somewhat that defeat knocked out winds of their sails.
Nggak terkata sama dia, bisa kiper tak?
Team struggled.
But again, being 3 goals down, could have tried to go for a bit of offensive. But rather, he is taking the defensive route. He's bringing in 2 fresh defenders, and could be the change in the shape as well.
Possibly trying to limit the damage, trying to make the scoreline look respectable.
Hari kanan jari ama shangra kadang ke.
Contact with the back and hit the opposition on the break.
Mang kerja lain ni
This
selai.
is a debatable point, you know. You're down by 3 goals. You need to get in players to try and get back into the game. Chirjataran is a defender.
Sen, 3 number, 16 number, 7 number. Wah, masih selai ke bisa lai.
Silo. They make room for Pekka, Chirjat, and of course KR Somalton run car. Again, he is also a defender. Only Pekka of them can affect.
Yep, Donaldson Longfar plays at left back. The side's first choice full back.
Lagau. Zerkau. Lagau. Buria darang.
Very leaky.
Zeh sibai tha. Dini.
Good combination play.
Lagau. Holy Sharon. Holy Sharon. Nay. Lang lai bai. Wai. Irai bai lai.
With that glancing attempt.
Sha.
Nobody misses out. But what a brilliant build-up.
เจอเขาโบชิงมัน
Kaushik came like a flash. He's gaining in confidence and very what? Not too far away. That was great work set up by Haricharan Narzari. Just have a look at that. Kaushik, no first touch, went direct. Just could be by centimeters. He missed the chance and there is substitution coming out again. Brahma, he makes room.
In this competition, the Bodoland got defeated ISL side in Odisha FC season before last by 2-0 and lost to Northeast United 4-3 there in a thrilling contest. Here is Joseph. He draws a foul in his favour.
Karbi Anglong have to try and put
파울 보리야 나르가시는 다그
into a defensive shape.
서내오 놈이야
That will
보도이나
bring out even the more attacking defensive overload of this Bodoland. Again, a bit of a clumsy challenge on Joseph.
모르네 시모근 라가오
To square it up. And Gidjar has been brought on, a man from the Tata Football Academy. That was too hot to handle. How it deals with it, it cleans up the danger.
보리야 예 라라
And
페리만
then Jackson.
I mentioned the change in shape and now again the skipper.
라이크 칼람드 sabscribe 칼람드 슬슬 칼람마크 원나네 라이즈 라자 नोंथांमोन बिदा फंबायफोर आदैमोन मादैमोन
The reason for the defensive
दे
There is an error, and Joseph can punish them. Support arriving, offensive reinforcement.
Like, share, subscribe,
Make the
खालामलाय
most of that. Goal kick signals. He's arguing with the referee, claiming for a corner.
The Pekka is fresh.
subscribe खालाम subscribe channelखौ please guys
Great challenge. Time to perfection. Rituraj Mohan is just coming. He scored a goal in the 135th edition of the Durand Cup as well. He's very hard working, this Rituraj Mohan.
Good to see these youngsters. They play exciting brand of football. This was rather an optimistic drive.
보리야
We're talking about Lalpekku.
보리야
Well, of course, get back to the Mizoram legend.
like करो
Scored a
subscribe
goal
and like करो
for the clubs and the
अभी भी टाइम है 58 minutes गया है
from the under-17.
बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है खेल
JJ absolutely what a player. As was Kaushik Daimari tried to set off down the middle. The touch was too heavy.
Even when you're trying to do a bit of a research on Pekka, everything leads to that one particular person. All the search engines is JJ Lalpekku. He is prevalent across the social media and the search platforms as well. What a wonderful player, and been serving the Indian side for a long time and has been a part of the Marina Machans as well for a pretty long time in the franchise football.
I remember that goal against Thailand in the AFC Asian Cup in 2019.
लागाओ होली शुरन शे
That's overcooked.
ओवर हो गया ओवर
Weston, ran out of idea.
होगा ज़्यादा हो गया
Kaushik to make a run. But Robinson is quite content to play that creator's role. He's fallen a little deep behind the hole.
It could be handful from here. Great intervention from Subham Sarangi.
I would say it was a lack of communication because the welcome was absolutely there and no real pressure. He's fresh for Rituraj Mohan.
Rituraj Mohan had a decent game against FC1 as well. He combined with Aaron Thapa, which resulted resulted into the third goal.
He's local lad, he's from Assam, but had gone to Sudeva Delhi. A little stint and come back to Bodoland.
लागाव जोसिगासिनो
Season.
Got in the
खेलाया
way
बिराद
of it.
गरम जादों खेलाया
That move didn't develop.
येस जोंनि आसामनि लकेलफ्रासो
A goal here can
बरिया
flip the track
दिनै
of
बर'फोर बांसिन गेलेदों बिराद बरिया जादों खेलाया
3-1, 3-2 at times can be a
जाय
very
प्रेक्टिसाव थायोना बिसोरसो मोजां जाखायो खेलाया बरिया जादों बरिया मोजां देखायदो दे ब्र देखायजोबनो हाया एसे खावला सिनलासो देखायनांगौ
10,000 people have been
कपिराइट फैयो
cheap giveaway and
वो
the trigger.
बस गया
Great atmosphere.
नेपाली या कौन आप बताओ मैं नेपाली नहीं है बड़ो बोडोलैंड का है बड़ो
A decent try from the youngster. Just slowing down the game. Trying to frustrate the opponent. A right tactic as a point for Vikas Panthi. Kuzaite just urging his side to force a quicker tempo onto the opposition.
The Karbi Anglong needs a bit of a reinforcement in midfield because they're losing a vital projection.
Cedric turns towards goal and wins a free kick, clipped from behind. The referee was at the right spot. Will be a booking as well. Cedric Junior looked a bit subdued, maybe that missed penalty still playing at the back of the mind. And a booking for the youngster.
62 minutes थांबाय 62 minutes गाय को इतना गुस्सा हो रहा है रे गाय तो भी समझाएगा YouTube चैनल में क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है
Rohit kept waiting, asking for a good delivery. Joseph.
goal
Variation in play.
yes
The attack and the defend. The
वाह!
collective unit is operating as a well-oiled machine.
गरम हो रहा है मेरे को भी खेलने के लिए जय बड़ो हारिनी जय बड़ो हारिनी जय 3 goal और 1 goal मारेगा दासो 63 minutes थांदों दंबायो बहुत 35 minutes 30 minutes आरामसे दंबावो 5 minute बारायनो हागोन दाहाय कम्पालसरि खा बियो
Robinson.
यस मारो होली सला ओए ज़्यादा ऊपर हो गया उसका
Went for the curler. Tried to bend it. Used his side foot.
Well, he's trying to bend it like Beckman. Not perfect.
होली सरोन बेस्ट प्लेयर बोडोलैंड का और नेपाल का एक है ये अरुण टाफा
And Wayne Little.
सब्सक्राइब करो
Selective effort for Halichar and Zari. But he got to keep trying. Fabio. Right, that give and go. Snatched away by Norbert. Pickpocketed
ये
by
देखो
Cedric. Hustle for the ball with
Out.
Sarangi.
What's important for him is the game is very intense. So some people might have felt that there's nothing, no stakes at all but him. As I mentioned, they're playing for the pride and Bodoland with our victory. They can really be proud about it. And Karbi Anglong is here.
लगाओ लेके जाओ गोल मारो वो बस गया
Was in on goal.
शे
Nikuraj.
बस गया ये कैसे बॉल दे रहे रे कोई नहीं यार उधर जल्दी भागो सेव करो यस गुड
Cut off nicely. Decent work from Subham Sarangi. This was the chance. He created that.
Great run, Ruturaj ball.
यस
Great runner as well, carried the ball there. But should have looked little to the left on the right side. Couple of players waiting because already Murshid was on his line and he got that angle so very well. He could have very well passed it on to Arun or Kaushik was slightly behind.
यस
But times you need to be able to
मा ओंख्रिमोन बेयावसो मैथा बांगाल अमासोमोनलै
Manages to get hold of the ball, use his outstep.
देखो कितना गरम हो रहा है खेल
Trivela. Unable to prevent it from going out. You mentioned about the local bragging rights at stake.
मैथा बांगाल अमा बिदरसोमोनलै मैथा बांगालजों अमा बिदर दिनैनि ओंख्रिया जोंना
The I-League too. Now they see themselves trailing here by 3 goals to 0.
डेन्जार अमा जाग्रा नुखायो नोंखौ यस जाखायो फंबाय जाखायो अमाखौ हले गोगोम जाखायो जोङो
Morning Star is a work in progress. And certainly the coach himself very young.
जोंनियाव थान्दासो ओरैबायदि दा बेंगलराव आं बेंगलरावसो थायो कर्नाटका स्टेटआव ओरैबायदि थान्दा आरो दा बर्थमान
Just to not get back with the drop shoulder, head rolling, not really. They should feel proud that they have been in the biggest stage in the country. It's called the Desh Cup.
He's getting into those pockets. Kaushik Daimari. Looks menacing already.
यस गोल मारो हलिचरन
Good trickery from the senior man.
मार दो क्या हुआ छे बार बस गया रे देखो
A brilliant save from the goalkeeper.
अरे कोई नहीं है यार कोई नहीं है ऑफसाइड
Much before. But again, it is looking great.
हलिचरन गरनै सोबाय ओमफ्राय खुसि मा नामथाय खुसिक दैमारि नामा बे गरसे सोदों
Look at that. That was a great ball set up by the skipper. Because
ऑफसाइड
they feel the need to look at the defender, the last line of defense. And this is where he has to learn. He's still very young.
हलिचरना गरनै सोदों
He's well picked through.
It was a brilliant ball played through. Another chance change lined up for Karbi Anglong Morning Star.
रेस्ट लाथ'दों दसे रेस्ट
Karbolong Timur.
दै लों सोर नायबाय थादों दै लोंना हो एसे
Interesting signing ahead of the dual by Karbi Anglong Morning Star.
दै लोंनि आंबो र' दै लोंनि
That is because they got exchange program with Suleva Derek. And they sent that Sahina from Suleva Derek. Bit of injury concern for Murshid. Gets me back. Or the governor's extended thumb and could have injured his the hand and the wrist as well. Being should be okay. Still, you have on the bench Jasprit, more experience, 27-year-old.
Could have been 2 more in this half from Bodoland. Murshid just keeping them at bay. And the crowd are loving every bit of it. The Bodoland FC fans were absolutely over the moon. They got their money's worth. Good to see a very young club developing a good fan base in the region. A platform for the local players to prove their mettle.
Jackson with it. He's playing for Ulster and this was all coming from Alison. Again on Ulster.
Approaching towards the last 20 minutes of regulation time. They need a divine intervention to bounce back. Karbi Anglong, Morning Star. They're desperate to end their campaign with a victory. And simultaneously in Ranchi, the Birsha Munda Stadium, Jamshedpur are 3-0 ahead. That will certainly seal Jamshedpur's place into the knockouts. Change coming up. Subir will be replaced by Kelvin.
chance คลำไรไว้ chance
Microlite change from Pudite. A lot was expected from the Keralite winger, but haven't been able to live up to the billing. Sometimes it takes time for the squad to settle down for players we found.
Boria ada even 71 minutes sampai deh para kau gila clear urun tapa chance kelambat urun tapa ko nikal dia hai chance ka dia
Kaushik Demari upward bounce. Got good with slightly. A difficult one to control as well. It's good that he's getting into the
urun tapa is out yes
ghosting him behind.
थक गया वो बेचारा आज चांस नहीं मिलेगा नेक्स्ट दोबारा टाइम
Which we
मिलेगा वो
saw against Northeast United with Cedric leading the charge. Have to drop back time and again in this one to fetch the ball from deep.
400 देख रहे भाई लाइक करो प्लीज ओनली 200 भी नहीं गया किसने लाइक नहीं किया अभी तक लाइक करो ना
Joseph, who makes a lot of diagonal runs.
खेल बहुत गर्म हो रहा है अभी भी 72 मिनट्स गया है
Vikas Ponte is tactically outmaneuvered Pudite this evening.
लाइक करो गाइस प्लीज और सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को
Successful at the Red Miners, leading by 3 goals as well. Added to the margin.
यस बहुत गर्म है बहुत गर्म है
They can reach the 6 points there. And that was a good challenge again. Pekka making a good run, but cleared away. And there was in a tangle was Jidon Azawari. And this has been a sort of a qualification day, the final. And as we head into the hydration break, second half, let's have a look at the situation. Mohammedan Super Giants, they're heading Group A with 9 points. And of course, Indian Army.
Indian Army wow Karbi ka Indian Army लोग हैं
Just yesterday, they had a wonderful game. Goal from
đây lưng đừng biết sao mình vậy
and
mà sao đây lưng đừng đây
extremely well. A bit of talking time for the coach and the players as well. And one wonderful surprise was Ranve from Group B heading it.
Ranve was the talking point, just like this man, Kaushik Daimari, really stole the show in the second half.
Kaushik Daimari
Lyrical and Michelle is going for him on that little space to put it past the keeper. And Group F has also been settled. It's all the way Highlanders, Northeast United, reinforced by that magician, Alvin Azar, 9 points from the 3 games. But Group E is open and don't go anywhere. Later this evening, Shillong Najong take on Langston. Langston still have a chance to qualify should they beat Shillong Najong, and who are on 6 points ahead. They won both their games, but that could be a surprise. That could be a big upset. And then again, it's going to be question for the 2 second-based sides, or the runner-up, the 2 best runner-up. He's been all waiting to be into the knockout stage. With greater goal difference and 6 points.
Beautifully summed up. Just 3.5 All those drives from Guwahati. Massive game awaits us. Shillong Lajong versus Langsney.
किसको दे रहा है ये डायरेक्ट क्यों मत दे रहे 20 में दे दो 20 में
Raj and Kaushik Daimani, both find of the tournament.
Well, stepping back. And Ritwaj edition of the Indian World Cup.
Absolutely. Alongside the foreigners, India
Ramburu Dhur thank you so much
highly impressive. 7 hat-tricks
Dambaru
already.
Dambaru 20 रुपीस सेंड कर दिया ये थैंक यू
Stoppage. Injury
और
to
किसी ने सेंड
Ritwaj
करना है
Sharma.
तो सेंड कर दो
He's back up on his feet. Not much time left here.
We're talking about a number of aspects.
बाहर कुत्ता है बहुत भौंक रहा है
And one single edition of Indian World Cup. This has been an incredible tournament. Wonderful.
ये कुत्ता बहुत डिस्टर्ब करेगा खाना नहीं दिया वो ओनर ने शायद
Rohit. They want to
78
keep
मिनट हो गया है अभी
celebrate.
बाकी है और थोड़ा 20 70 80
Still no joy yet.
20 मिनट बाकी
Pushing
है
forward from Karbi Anglong Morning Star. That star yet to shine. Outshone by Bodoland.
Bodoland FC 3 goal Karbi Anglong 0
Really comfortable with this. It's allowing the opposition to have the ball inside their own half unless someone from the center starts breaking those lines.
Oli Suron best player है यस
Use his shadow cover.
आए बस क्या
That's what you call experience.
Will Kaushik made a lovely run, but that was blocked. You mentioned about the shining stars, and again, they're morning stars. They sparkle, they blossom in the morning like freshly bloomed flowers, and they're wonderful. A lot of prospects, great talents here in this particular region.
Trying to create that little space for the shot. Rohit
Rohit
to the wrong side of the net.
Well, it was a good attempt from this boy from Manipur.
बढ़िया से ना किफरा
Somewhat, maybe, little lapse of concentration. He's trying to control it, but finally, maybe the second thought, let it go. He was very, very sure about the positioning as well. He had the post covered.
यस यस गरम है बहुत गरम है खेल अभी में लेंस कैप व्यू खलाम
Spark went missing from Karbi Anglong.
So guys, किसने like नहीं किया like करो और subscribe करो please.
That pressure slowed down. Towards nobody.
बढ़िया बढ़िया good Bodoland FC good.
Role of a central midfielder, while he was with the Red Miners, the reserve squad, and has done the role. So it's nothing new for him, because
Regulation time of less than 10 minutes left. He's hungry for more. Beautifully guided. Diary. And now Robertson with that left
Corner.
foot.
took a bit of deflection, could have gone anywhere. Robinson has been
Please score. Bodoland 3,
as well. And then
Karbi Anglong 0.
on the time, Gayari is the ricochet. Bodoland's left foot, but good block there.
Corner मिल गया
Line there.
Formed a formidable partnership last season with Pedro, the Spaniard. Was waiting outside. Rituraj thought about it. Changing game plan. Nakayari.
शॉट कम हो गया शॉट.
He's always a brilliant
Oh my God.
scorer.
बारिश आ गया क्या?
And this 132 finish, I think,
Oh my God. बारिश आ गया रे. बारिश कपड़ा पे पूरा गीला हो जाएगा. मेरा कपड़ा गीला हो जाएगा भाई. बारिश हो गया देखो बारिश. मेरा कपड़ा गीला हो जाएगा.
One side to the other.
कैसे मारा रे कि देखो. बारिश आ गया गाइस देखो बारिश. बारिश आ गया बारिश देखो. यस 82 मिनट्स. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है भाई. मेरा भी चार्ज खत्म होने वाला है.
Morning star. The Dual Cup journey has been one of narrow margins with plenty of learning. Possession one back. Gayari.
वाह लंग ले भाई. मारो गुड शॉट.
Regulation take for Mushik.
Again, he could have looked towards the other players waiting there. Kaushik, who scored once, and there he was, his shot was blocked, and he was picked up.
Now at this moment, Jamshedpur FC are on a rout. It's 5-0 now at the Birsa Munda Stadium.
यस लेके आओ.
In the knockout stage. Gary shaping it up towards Kaushik. Kaushik taking his time. One way then the other. Beautifully found.
वाओ होली सुरन गोल मार दिया. होली सुरन गोल. 3 goals मार दिया होली सुरन. वाओ गोल 4 गोल हो गया. गोल. गोल 4 गोल. बस हो गया. और मत डालो बस आराम से खेलो. अभी 4 हो गया. बोदोलैंड एफसी 4. देखो कितना अच्छा से खेल रही है. देखो कितना आराम से फास्ट दे रही है. वाओ देखो कितना अच्छा से मार रहा है.
Just cutting down. For period, Culture Nazari, completions are taken. It is a truly a point of election that so many of the Indians are scoring the hat tricks and just
Ali Saron.
You have Bodoland, you have Vishnu Devi, you have Haricharan Nazari as well.
Another addition to that tally. The water pass from Kaushik.
Four goal.
A goal and an assist.
It started all with Arabia in the opening game of
Yes, goal habo unangan. Nango 5 goal. Skora 6 tak nalai.
Knocked out of the stride completely.
अरे कुत्ता डिस्टर्ब कर दिया.
Opening the t-shirt.
परेशान कर रहा है रे बाहर. बहुत परेशान कर रहा है बाहर. और मारेगा. गोल. ये देखो लेके आया, फिर से लेके आया.
It was slightly difficult for him. And now from a crossing position is Gary. Goes inside Gary.
ए शॉट बहुत कम मारा रे शॉट.
He's hard-working, he's creating, but finally the finish. That's what is lacking. He needs to be more clinical. He's already ending this very sort of hat-trick in Pakistan as well. And he should have done much better. He was one of the young prospects we thought could really bloom.
Slight drop of the shoulder. We saw that a couple of times already.
फाउल ऐसा खेलता है क्या?
Frustration.
कांदो कैसे खेल रही है? ऐसा डायरेक्टली मारता है क्या? थोड़ा अच्छा से खेलना भाई. शिवम गुस्सा आ गया उसको.
Good referee from Kolkata.
Handled the game really well. Always been in the right positions. Had a good vision of the incidents.
Wow!
Kobe didn't miss the Vikash Panti's gestures. It's not happy. He wants his boys to still go ahead and have a greater margin.
We'll be looking for that quick goal. Jamshedpur with a 5-star performance. They added yet another. It's half a dozen winning goals at the Birsa Munda Stadium.
अरे सुपर साथ भेजो कोई कौन है?
Roberto.
सुपर साथ भेजो सुपर साथ. सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया देखो अभी तक कौन है प्लीज गाइस सब्सक्राइब करो. लाइक भी नहीं किया देखो. 200 से ज्यादा देख रहे हैं अभी. 400 प्लस है. लाइक करो भाई. 300 करो पूरा 300. वो गोल फिर से गोल मारा देखो. फिर से गोल मारा देखो. गमसार ये देखो गमसार मारा. किसने मारा? गमसार. देखो 5 गोल.
A wonderful finish as well. What a touch from Gary. In the blink of an eye, and the ball nestles into the bottom corner.
गमसार गोल हो भाई. देखो होली सरन कितना अच्छा से बना के दिया.
Again, not in the right position, and Gayari with a wonderful, exquisite touch.
Wonderful.
Look at the quality of the cross from Haricharan Nazari. Perfect weight on that.
Holy sure not Jari.
Perfect position.
Perfect position.
But one really feels for the red man of the FC. You mentioned about
9 number गमसार.
leading a very stiff snow at the Birsa Munda Stadium in Ranchi, and they maybe have to move out of the tournament. But it's all coming down to the wire because today the next game is going to be extremely crucial.
Hey.
It will end with 6 points, and they would have
गमसार से yes गमसार.
all different as it stands.
Regulation time of just few seconds left.
He's been going to enjoy a plus 12 goal difference.
Yes, thank you. Super sat Olera Silva.
Could be the
Thank you.
best
Zim Lab all
team
which
for the runners in the group.
They want to keep a clean slate now. 5 minutes added on. Chance for more goals.
Enjoy guys, enjoy. 5 goal. Bodoland FC 5 goal. Wow. Superman.
Indo-Tibetan border police.
Wow, बढ़िया. कितना मजा आ रहा है आज खेल देखने में.
They surpassed that record.
वाओ बढ़िया. कुत्ता बहुत डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है यार मेरे को. मेरा कान फुल हो गया.
Timothy Nazari, Pedro Lopez.
door बंद करना पड़ेगा यार प्लीज.
Timothy Nazari has been a great addition in this Bodoland FC squad. A very reliable midfielder. Missing out this game, of course. He played the last game against FC1.
You're on the bench. Again, Vikas Panti knows a thing or two about cricket. He's rotating his squad.
अबे नहीं सुनेगा. door बंद किया मैं पूरा.
Missing out on
बैटरी भी खत्म होने वाला है मेरा. 13% है गाइस. क्या करो.
And they qualified to the round of
5 minutes और 5 minutes डाल दिया टाइम. एक्स्ट्रा टाइम.
Looking for that consolation goal. Trying to make inroads, Joseph.
5 minutes
Losing out
extra.
physical battle. Excellent defensive work from Rituraj.
5 minutes एक्स्ट्रा टाइम.
Putting that extra body in there.
जीत गया बोदोलैंड एफसी. आराम से हंस के नाचो, डांस करो, पार्टी करो आज.
you know that from Angola. He's a silent worker.
फाउल.
Wish you could show him your
और मारेगा क्या. कितना. वाओ. मारो.
around the place at the heart of the park.
And he reads the game exceedingly well, which is why he makes loads of interceptions. The timing of those passes, picks out the right player.
क्वार्टर फाइनल था नहीं नोंगलान बाबा. अच्छा.
He has a clear understanding of the game. A solid addition to this Bodoland squad.
Then Karbi and Anglong pulled one back in the bottom tank in the second half. All wood Bodoland.
यस गोल मारो. कौन है उधर. कोई नहीं है यार बीच में.
This time with
Sure.
his feet, Bhinushit,
Yeah, smart work.
not clipped over the top. Lack of options up front. Having numbers behind the ball with men in pink. Interception from Hazari.
Pick was trying to find Calvin. Calvin arrived was fresh. But again, the Bodoland defense looks rock solid.
Roberto.
यस हॉलिसरन. गोल. गोल. हॉलिसरन नाज़ारी गोल. कितना मारा ये भाई साहब. 4 गोल मारा है. 4 गोल. ओ माय गॉड. टोटल 6 हो गया. 6 Wow.
The Karbi Anglong defense has been polished.
6 goal. 6 goal. कितना अच्छा मार रहा है ये. Good job. Oh my God. 4 गोल मारा ये अकेला बंदा. हॉलिसरन नाज़ारी बेस्ट प्लेयर है बोडोलैंड का.
Never scored 4 goals in a single match.
Oh my God.
In his entire career. And he is one who is getting and maturing day by day.
Oh my God. आज तो मजा आ रहा है रे देखने में.
Bodoland Hazari with his best performance in the Indian Oil Durand Cup. Rodriguinho.
More goal, bro. Yes, 2 goal.
In a single game. The Brazilian.
Woo!
And now,
Wish.
he comes forward to score. Could have easily worked.
Yes.
Absolutely. Again,
Yes.
becoming very
Yes.
because they know that they keep scoring. So Bodoland keeps on scoring as well. They can reach 6 points.
खेल खत्म होने वाला है भाई साहब.
Margin
ओ लाइक नहीं किया प्लीज गाइस लाइक करो और सब्सक्राइब करो ना मेरा चैनल को और ये सुपर साथ भेजना है तो भेज दो कौन कौन भेजना है नेपाल से आप लोग कौन कौन देख रहा है प्लीज गाइस सब्सक्राइब करो और लाइक करो मैं तो डांस करेगा
Just blown away, and there you go.
ओवर ओवर
Bodoland FC
टाइम ओवर 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 ओवर
scored half a dozen.
हो गया खत्म हो गया खेल खत्म खेल खत्म
4 goals for the former.
खेल खत्म खेल खत्म
Headline act on a night when Bodoland produced
Yes,
the
खेल खत्म
6 goals.
खेल खत्म खेल खत्म खेल खत्म खेल खत्म
In the first clean sheet in the 130 of the
खेल खत्म खेल खत्म
And they finished with 6 points. They take home a lot of glory. Karbi and Anglong as well. They take a lot of experience back. Good memories. And the players from the local region.
बोरिया गुड जॉब 6 गोल मारा है बोडोलैंड देखो स्कोर
Number of shots by Bodoland, of course, they were absolutely pre-balanced. They were all over the field.
25
Target. And just 6 players.
देखो मेरा बैटरी खत्म हो गया आप लोग का वजह से मेरा वजह से भी आप लोग का वजह से भी सॉरी गाइस थैंक यू सो मच
Registers their highest margin victory in the Indian Oil Duran Cup.
डूरान कप
This is how the game unfolded here at the
ओके गाइस थैंक यू सो मच खेल तो खत्म हो गया बंद कर दूं क्या नहीं तो रिपीट देखो कैसे कैसे गोल मारा ये देखो Berkhang Demari Foul. Oleh Suran Nazari
Left foot up, struck their pride, rolled into goal.
That one thought might have opened the floodgates, but Karbi Anglong Morning Star had other ideas.
Karbi Along
The went forward by Joseph.
Karbi Along
Double save there from Berkhang Demari. Wonderful.
Yes
Perfection. Lovely anticipation, and once again, Halichar Nazari striking him.
96 रुपीस हो गया टोटल मेरा कलेक्शन अभी किसी ने सुपर सब भेजा है ना नाम तो भूल गया मैं थैंक यू सो मच किसी ने भेजा था थैंक यू सो मच गाइस
Finish from Halichar Nazari made it look so simple. That was Tyson from the right hand side, but too close to the keeper.
थैंक यू सो मच लाइक करो लास्ट में अभी लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करो दोबारा ऐसा ही लाइव आएगा बोडोलैंड एफसी के लिए कौन है यार
This was a moment of magic. Touch it. The super sub, and what a finish. Keep an eye on this guy. He should go.
सो गाइस थैंक यू सो मच बाय बाय खेल खत्म हो गया